Welcome. Thanks for joining me on this wild and windy day. We're inside designing the thruster tubes. What are the thruster tubes? Why do we want them? What's the relevance on this model? Let me try and explain. Here we have the upturned hull of a bait boat, radio controlled. Two motors sealed to the hull, some type of seal inside here, discouraging ingress of water into the hull. I'd like to use this setup to power my 29 scale tugboat. But the issue I have, as you might guess, when I place the bait boat into the hull, I have an issue of how do I match the plastic sealed bait boat lower half and the alloy construction of my tugboat. Well, aluminium tube. Aluminium tube may be the answer. .35mm bore, thin-walled aluminium tube may well fit on the surrounds and if I then surround them with an aluminium structure, bond the alloy tube to the vertical structure and bond the vertical structure to the sides of the alloy hull, I should have I should have a waterproof solution. I'll move the camera, we'll have a little closer look. You rejoin me, the camera repositioned. We're looking at the tugboat from the stern. Here's the joint of the lower half of the bait boat. We see one prop uncovered and one prop shrouded with my thruster tube. If I now come up with a bulkhead that attaches to the bait boat hull, to the tugboat hull, and surrounds in a watertight manner, surrounds the tubes of the thrusters, I'll have achieved my objective of using the lower portion of the bait boat with its two propellers and radio control gear but I'll have achieved the shape I want for the scale model tugboat. I'm actually hoping there are some added benefits of having tubes surrounding the propellers. Based on the theory that thrusters, years ago when I used to fly ROVs offshore, the thrusters were surrounded in vortex tubes, and that gives more power from the same motor. Now these aren't going to be sophisticated vortex tubes, but there'll be a definite improvement on just a bare propeller thrashing about in the water. So I may well see a performance increase as well as a waterproof solution. That's the theory, and now I better get on and build it.